Good morning, respected father, sister, staff members and my dear children. As I address you, my dear children, on this occasion of Children's Day, a day observed as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, I pray and wish God's blessing upon each and every one of you. Today we are celebrating the strength of the society. Yes, children, it is you who is the strength of our society. And we are very thankful to God for the blessing of you, dear children. This reminds me of a quote from Psalm 127 verse 3 that children, you are a gift from God to all of us. You are a blessing in our lives. It is very unusual that on this day, you students and we teachers are in our homes and not in school celebrating the occasion. And you know the reason why? It's because of pandemic that we are all in our homes and not in school. But there's another thing I would like to tell you, children. That is, this pandemic might have separated or distanced us from each other. But what the pandemic has not been able to alter is your love for your school and the love, concern and affection that we teachers have for all of you. And I would not let go of this opportunity, and I want to tell that all of you are very, very, very special to us. We love you all, and you know we exist because you are there. You are the reason why we have teachers in the society. So you are the reality of this present and also the hope of our future. I encourage you all to look at life and leave behind all the obstacles and hindrances that we find around us, to take a leap into the freedom of realizing your dreams and making a better place for yourself as well as for the world around you. I urge you, dear children, not to lose hope, because hope is kind of a light that you have at hand. I also urge you to appreciate the little things that you have in your life. And another thing that I want to tell you is this: if you get a chance to become something in life, choose to be kind. On this day, I also remember all the unfortunate, the less fortunate children, and I pray for God's blessing upon them as well. We also lovingly remember all our ex-students who have left the portals of the school to realize their dreams. Last but not the least, I would like to tell you that we are waiting to see your lovely and smiling faces in our school. We are waiting to enter the noisy classrooms, and we are waiting to scold you and give a tap on your back when needed. Once again, happy Children's Day. Have a good day. Much love. God bless you all.
My dear children, today, as we all know, is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. For me, it is also a day dedicated to love. I firmly believe that every child brings more love into the world. When I see or think of you, my heart swells with pride and joy. In your shining and innocent faces, I can see hope for a better tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, I can see the promise of what you will achieve. My dream is to see your dreams come true. I dream for the day when your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. Make us all, your parents, teachers, school and nation proud. I will be waiting with bated breath to see you all make a mark on the world. My heartfelt love to every single one of you, dear children. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, dear children. Today, I would like to speak a few words on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year all over the nation in the memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because of his love and affection for the children of the nation. Children are the future of the nation, and hence they should be raised with love, care and affection. Children's Day is a day filled with innocence, love and purity. that you all bring to this world. You have the potential to transform tomorrow. Every one of you is a different kind of flower, and all together make a beautiful garden. Believe in yourself and blossom in your own domain. Wish you a very happy Children's Day.
We love you children from all our hearts. We bless you children from all our hearts. We love you children from all our hearts. We bless you children from all our hearts. You are the shining star and gift of God. You are the shining star and gift of God. You are the children, best of the rest. We love you children from all our hearts. We bless you children from all our hearts.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, बालक दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस अवसर पर मैं प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं दादी पर एक कविता, बदल गया है आज जमाना। यद्यपि यह कविता दादी पर है, लेकिन आप सबके लिए इसमें कुछ न कुछ है। तो प्रस्तुत है कविता, बदल गया है आज जमाना। बदल गया है आज जमाना, बदल गई है दादी भी। बदल गया है आज जमाना, बदल गई है दादी भी। नहीं बंदी से पहले वाली, मिली उन्हें आज़ादी भी। कंप्यूटर खोल खुद से ही, गूगल तक वह जाती है। लिए हाथ में माउस दादी, तनिक नहीं घबराती है। कंप्यूटर खोल खुद से ही, गूगल तक वह जाती है। लिए हाथ में माउस दादी, तनिक नहीं घबराती है। मोबाइल में डूबी दादी, डायल ठीक कर लेती है। इंस्टाग्राम में जाकर वह बातें भी लिख लेती है। हंसकर दादी सेल्फी लेती, हंसकर दादी सेल्फी लेती, फिर पोस्ट उसे वह करती है। लाखों लाइक जब मिलते उनको, बिन बत्ती सी खिल जाती है। एटीएम जाती, पैसे लाती, बिजली बिल भी भरती है। शॉपिंग वॉपिंग अब तो दादी ऑनलाइन ही करती है। नया दौर है नया जमाना, सैनिटाइजर मास्क खर्चाना। नया दौर है नया जमाना, सैनिटाइजर मास्क खर्चाना। 2 गज दूरी पर बतियाना, दादी अब स्मार्ट हुई। बदल गया है आज जमाना, बदल गई है दादी भी। बदल गया है आज जमाना, बदल गई है दादी भी। धन्यवाद।
Shining stars are what you are illuminate the sky. And after all, you've learned this year, it's not surprising why. Reading, writing, science, math and social studies too, science, spelling and so much more will always follow you. Let laughter, love and friendship and happy memories made find a way onto your face on any rainy day. And if you ever lose your way, just cast your eyes above, cause shining stars are what you are and forever you will stay. You are the birds in the garden, you're the light in the darkness, you are the future of the nation, you're a shining star in the sky. Happy Children's Day, dear students, take a bow, this is your day. May God bless you and keep you safe. A happy Children's Day.
A Bengali poem by Kobi Apurbo Dotto, নইলে কিন্তু আরি। সকালবেলায় ঘুম ভেঙেছে, মা বলল, শোনো, বাসি মুখেই 100 থেকে 1 অবধি গোনো, 9টা নাগাদ খেলতে যাব। বাবা বললেন, বুবাই, আবুধাবির রাজধানী কি, মাস্কাট না দুবাই? স্কুলে গেছি, ইংরেজি স্যার। হেঁকে বললেন, এই ইউ। ক্যালিডোস্কোপ লিখতে গেলে কে লাগে না কিউ? খেলতে গেছি, ছোটন আমার প্রথম বলেই আউট। আম্পায়ারটা বলল, ওটা বেনিফিট অফ ডাউট। রাতের বেলায় সে কি লড়াই, গদ্যে এবং পদ্যে। এমনই কপাল, লোডশেডিংও হয় না মাঝে মধ্যে। এতজনের সঙ্গে আমি একলা লড়তে পারি? ও দাদু ভাই, বিচার করো, নইলে কিন্তু আরি। হ্যাপি চিলড্রেন্স ডে।
My dear children, on this auspicious day, I want to wish each and every one of you a very happy Children's Day. Along with Children's Day, we have other celebrations too. We have Diwali, the festival of lights. We have Bhai Dooj and Bhai Phuta. I want to wish you and all your family members a very happy celebrations of all these events. Along with the celebration, we have our exams and our studies go on. And I want you to do your studies well in spite of all the difficult situation and the new normal we are living in. As true warriors, we need to fight this pandemic situation. And we can only fight when we are safe ourselves and we are concerned about the safety of others. Let us then, in this Diwali, avoid bursting crackers, because if we burst crackers, it will add to the pollution. People will suffer more, and with this pandemic, it will cause more harm to the lives of the people. As good citizens, as learned people, let us be concerned of the health of our family, the safety of our family members, and the safety of others. I wish you all a happy celebration. I wish you good health. May God bless you and keep you safe. Thank you.
loving students, today is a big day for all of us as we are celebrating Children's Day. Though we are not together physically, but you all are in our hearts. And we are here to celebrate this special day with you all through this video. May God Almighty bless you all with good health and knowledge. Hope to be together soon.
On this beautiful day, I just want to say that each one of you is precious and important, and that you are a wonderful creation of the Almighty.
Our world is much more colorful because we have wonderful children like you. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to you.